Right, let me show you where we're at. So this is the first one nearly done. So what I've done, guys, just off camera, I've just pushed one bearing in, nice and simple. So what we'll do now is we will pop another bearing in and show you where we are. So one of those. Camera's going to be in the way. So we've now got bearing on the outside, bearing on the inside, and the bit we've just made pops in there. Okay, you probably need to take a little bit off the outside there, I reckon. Although I might not do that yet, but what we do need to do is put the boring bar in the middle and open that hole out a bit more, because we've got to get the spindle in there. So let's do that, shall we?